Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are fit and healthy at home. Welcome to online classes. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to teach you English grammar. So, we will study chapter 16. So, kids open your book and take out page number 69. The title of the chapter is articles. In this you will see what are articles and how we use them. Okay? Let us see. Children, a, n, the, these are articles. Let us read more about them. Children, you can see a girl. This is a girl. She is eating an ice cream. The girl looks pretty. So, a, n, the, these are articles. Okay? We use a, n and the before nouns. They are called articles. So, children, a, n and the, we use them before nouns. Nouns are naming words, chair, table, classroom, bathroom, these all are nouns, these all are naming words. So, we used articles before nouns. Okay? We use a when the noun begins with a consonant sound. Children, there are 26 alphabet. So, 21 of them are consonants. Let us see. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonants, rest are vowels. Okay? We use a before singular noun. Example, a cat, a bus, a unicorn. Children, what you learn here that a is used before consonants and it is used before singular noun. Meaning one thing, okay, one thing, one name, one place, okay. Let us see here a unicorn, it is an exception case. You will learn here is unicorn. Here we use a unicorn. Unicorn is a vowel, but we still use a before it because when we use articles, what we do? We listen to the sound of the word. Here, sound of the unicorn is unicorn. It sounds with consonant. It sounds with consonant, but it begins with vowel. But here what we have to do? We have to listen the word carefully and then use the article. Okay, so children, we use a before unicorn, not n. Okay. Let us see some more examples. A chair, a deer, a truck. These all are consonants and are singular. Okay? We use an when the noun begins with vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u. Okay? We have learnt that there are 21 consonants, the rest are vowels. What are they? A, e, I, o and u. These all are vowel. We use n before singular noun. So, we also use n before singular noun. Example, an ink pot, an umbrella, an honest man. Children, here also an exception case. H is a consonant, but still we are using an because it sounds vowel. It gives a sound of a vowel. So, we use an with honest men. Let us see some more examples. An orange, an aeroplane, an egg. These all begins with vowel sound and they are in singular. So, we used an before all of them. Children, now we will see use of a and n in the sentences. You can see a picture of monkey. A monkey is jumping. So, children, M is a consonant, so we used A. Okay. Next, an old man is reading. Here O is vowel, so we used an before a vowel. Okay. So, an old man is reading. Now we will learn, we use the with a noun that we have already spoken about once. So, children, what you have learnt here, that article the, we use article the when we talk about something that is repeated again, that is used again in a sentence. Okay. Let us see one example. I saw a black car. Here A is written before a black car. The car was empty. So, B is a consonant. A is written before B. I saw a black car. Take it as a one sentence. Next, when we have to talk about car again, so what we will use? We will use article the. So, the car was empty. So, our sentence become, I saw a black car, the car was empty. The is also used before the names of river, holy books and famous buildings. So, children, हम the कहाँ use करते हैं? We use the with some important names like names of river, holy books, famous buildings. Let us see some examples. The Yamuna. Yamuna is the name of river. So, we use the before Yamuna. The Quran. Quran is a holy book of Muslims. So, we use Quran. We used article the before Quran. We also say the earth, the sky, the sun and the moon. Okay. These all are universal things. So, we used the before all of them. Let us see the example, children. I am reading a book. This is one sentence. A girl is reading a book. She is saying that I am reading a book. Okay. Then she is telling again about, she is talking again about book. So, what it will become? The book is very interesting. Here we are talking about book again. So, we use article the. The book is very interesting. Next, the moon is shining. Moon is a universal thing. So, we use the moon, article the before moon, it will become the moon is shining. Children, now we will discuss book work. Question A, write a or n to complete the sentences. First, Lily put dash egg in a dash pot of boiling water. Children, we used an before egg because egg sounds with vowel, it also begins with vowel. And next, a pot. Pot sounds of consonants, okay, and P is also consonant. So, we used a before pot. We saw dash zebra and dash elephant at the zoo. Zebra is a consonant sound, Z is a consonant. So, we used a before zebra. Elephant, elephant sound as vowel and E is also vowel. So, we used an before an elephant. So, it will become an elephant. Rest you will do yourself, children. Question B, use the correct article before each of the following words and write them in the correct column. So, children, here 3 columns are given, a, n and the words are given. What you have to do, you have to choose the word and put it in the correct box. Let us see Bible. Bible is a holy book of Christian. So, what we have learned that we use article the before holy book. So, we put Bible in the box the, so it will become the Bible. Next, car. So, you can see car is a generalized item and it is a consonant. So, we used a car. Next, egg. Egg sounds as vowel sound. egg sound as vowel sound, and E is also vowel, so we used an egg. Okay, rest children you have to do it yourself. Okay. Question C, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Let us see the first. Dash peacock is dancing in my garden. Children, peacock sound as consonant. So, P is also consonant. We will use letter, we will use article a. Raja eats dash egg every day. Again egg, egg sounds as vowel. We used and before egg. Dash earth goes around dash the dash sun. So, children, we will fill the in both the blanks because earth is a universal, sun is also universal. So, we use article the before universal items. Okay. The earth goes around the sun. Okay. Rest you will do yourself, children. Now, I move to our last question. D. Tick the sentences in which the articles are used correctly. Let us see, you have given two options. You have to tick the correct one. A. I packed an sandwich and an apple for lunch. Children, let us discuss it. And sandwich, is it correct? No, because S is a consonant. So, we will use a before sandwich and a apple. Apple is an vowel. So, we used an apple for lunch. So, the correct one is B. You have to tick B. Okay. Next, Rohit bought a red shirt and Ronnie bought a blue one. Children, yes, this is correct sentence. B is wrong one because our red is a consonant, red sound as a consonant, we use a before consonant, and Ronnie bought a blue one. So, here blue is also consonant, we use a before a consonant. In the next sentence you can see the wrong sentence also, it will clarify your doubts. Rohit bought an red shirt, red is a consonant, so N is wrong. Ronnie bought a blue one. So, blue is also consonant, N is also wrong. We use N before vowels. So, children, you will put tick in front of A. Okay. Rest children, you will do yourself. So, children, now I will give you 1 hour for your online doubt class and we will discuss answers in doubt class only. Okay. Write 3 sentences using each articles a and the. Children, what you have to do? You have to write 3 sentences using each article a and the. Children, I hope you have understood and enjoyed the chapter. Thank you.